Hello guys, welcome to today's video. In this site I'm going to be showing us how to make money from this site, so you're going to watch this video to the very end and follow all the steps I'm going to take in this video, you understand. So the name of this site is called the Sunpower. As you can see here, the Sunpower. So right now this site is an investment site, you understand, but you can start with the minimum plan, or you can go with the one you can afford to risk, guys. So what is what is very, because I'll be making a live withdrawal from this site to see how legit this site is. So before we proceed, I'm Success Nathaniel and this channel is SN Crypto World. So if you are new to this channel, consider hitting that red subscribe button over there. Just click on it, but if you've done that, then leave it. Then please give this video a thumbs up and drop a nice comment in the comment section. All right, now let me proceed in making a withdrawal, then I'll show us how this site really works. As you can see in my balance so far, I'm having I think 120, like what am I saying, 1200 here. So I'll just go to this withdrawal option here. Yeah, this withdrawal option. Yeah, so the link will be at the description where you just sign up, you understand. When you sign up and create an account. All right, let me log in, let me log out and show us how the sign up is. Just when you sign up, you'll be seeing something like this, you understand, where you just have to put your phone number. You complete this capture here. This capture might be showing different things in your own, you understand. Just put this DMGY, you understand, but it might be showing different thing here. Then at this password box, you click on password, you understand. So once you click on password, you are done, you understand. So right now I will just sign in to my own account. So I'll just sign in to my own account right now. So this is just how to create an account with them. Maybe remember, your when signing up, you sign up with 10-digit number. That means your first zero won't be like the first zero in your number won't be there, you understand. Don't sign up with, if it's 707, just sign with 70, so remove the zero. So that's how this site works. So for you to this is your own page and this is your plan. I will come to explain all this plan here. So for you to make withdrawal, just click on this more button. So when I click on this more button here, I will go ahead to click on the withdrawal. So I've not bound my withdrawal address with them, like my bank account with them, so I've not put it. So once you click on this withdrawal, we need to put your account details with them, which you want them to pay you. Is it pay your normal bank account? You click on it. So I'll just click on this box now that arrow is pointing. Once I click on this box now, this is where I'll be putting my name. So they say beneficiary name, so I'll just go ahead to type my account name right. I just want to do it so that you understand every aspect in this video. I would have done it before now, so but for us to know how to withdraw, you understand. So this beneficiary account number is just your normal bank account number. Maybe I'll just go ahead to put my OPay account number. So you can try to withdraw within any bank of your choice. Then here you select the bank, you understand. You see Access Bank, Eco Bank, GTB, Unity Bank. You see so many banks are here. So I don't have to keep throwing up till I see OPay. I think I see PalmPay here. Okay, let me just select OPay from this site. So if I won't say, then I'll go ahead to put my GTB. So I'll go ahead to put my GTB. Okay, this Paycom, yeah, can serve as OP. So I'll just click on submit. Once you click on submit, then you see you successfully bound your bank account for withdrawal. So that's just how it is, you understand. So it will be saved already. I'll just go back now and look at the withdrawal page. I'll just click on this let me click on 1000. Okay, let me click on 2000. So while withdrawing, there's always a notification or it's note under the withdrawal aspect which you have to know, you understand. So as you can see here, they say read all this tip here. They say the minimum you can withdraw from any time, you understand. The 24 hours withdrawal from 0.00, which is any time, to 24 hours, you understand. That means, and the minimum withdrawal is 1000 naira to 500,000 naira. So there's no withdrawal charges, there's no handle fee charge. That means if I should place 1000, so I should be expecting 1200 from this site, understand. So right now, since I've bound my account number with them, I will go ahead and click on this withdraw icon, so which I'll just do right now. I'll just click on it and they say withdrawal has been processed, please wait patiently. So as you can see here, it's showing pending. Yeah, as you can see here, it's showing pending. So that means I'm expecting like 1,002. So as you're expecting it, let me go ahead to show us how this site fully works. Meanwhile, I bound this account with my OP. So let me just go to my OP right now and show us how to show us my last transaction here. So logging into my OP right now, this is my last transaction so far, which is okay, this is 57 something, and this is 0.2, this is your OWET something charges. So I'll just leave it. Okay, as you can see right now, I think I just received a notification from this boss. Okay, the money has been created. That means to show you that the site is paying instantly. You understand? The money has been created instantly. So look at it here and look at the sender here. Understand? So I just received the money in a short while, guys. I just received the money in a short while. So I'll just go ahead to refresh my open. As you can see my open self, I'm still having my last transaction here. So I'm just going to refresh it to show you guys that this site really was. And boom, I've refreshed it, and meaning that the 1,200 have actually reflect down my account. Understand? So you can withdraw it to your account, and the withdrawal is very instant, guys. So let's go back to the site and let's check the withdrawal. Is there? It was showing pending before. I think by now it should be showing successful or success, something like that. Where is the withdrawal record here? Okay, let's click on this withdraw. So as you can see here, it's showing success. You understand? That means the withdrawal has been accepted. Look at the time, the date, and everything. So I withdrew today, which is Sunday, 14th of what's it called, January, July actually. So that's it, guys. This site is paying and instantly, and the newly launched site. So this is the best time to invest and go through it. You understand? So how the package works, it just you look at, as you can see, they have the package of 1,500, they have the package of 3,000, they have the package of 5,000, 10,000, 30,000 till they have package of 900,000, which is the last package. So if you invest, maybe decide to invest 4,500, you understand, 1,500, then you'll be gaining 4,450 naira every single day for 355 days. That's if the site can last for 1 full year, which is 365 days. And that means you'll be getting 4,500 for 365 years, which will give total package of 16,000. Okay, 164,250. Wow, that's nice. That's if the site can last for a full year as a promise here. So but for the meantime, it's just new. You can go ahead and start making your money. Now if you go ahead to deposit maybe 3,000 naira, you'll be earning the open amount of 930 and total profit after 365 days, 339,004 something here. So which is every single day I will give you 930 from this site amount. So that's how the site fully works. Then if you go ahead to deposit 5,000 on 10,000, let's assume you deposit 30,000. So if you deposit 30,000 every single day, I will give you 10,500. Imagine 10,500 every single day. That means in the next 3 days you've made more than your profit, your deposit. You made more than your deposit, because next 3 days you'll be getting like 30,150. You understand? 31,500. Sorry, that's what you're getting in those 3 days of depositing 30,000, and the rest will be your profit. You understand? Meanwhile, in the next 365 days, if they should last for these days, you'll be earning an open amount of 3.8 million, guys. So that's how this site really works. You can go ahead to see the other packages they have till the 9,000. So if you deposit 900,000 here, that means you should be expecting 408. Okay, this how many? 468,000 every single day, man. So in 3 days time, you're getting your capital back. So this site is actually new. It was just launched yesterday, so you can go ahead and start making your investment right now, guys. So I'll be dropping the link down in the description and see how the site works. So once you come up here, if you notice at the beginning of the video, I was having a balance here. Now it's now 0 naira. That means the next 24 hours my balance will keep topping up here. So once you invest, once you deposit, you'll be seeing your balance at this my ticket. You understand? This is my ticket. That's where you'll be seeing your balance. Then once you invest that money you deposit, you'll be seeing your balance every single day. Your balance will come to this my balance here. You understand? So that's how it works. Then for you to deposit, you just have to click on this this deposit button here, you understand, this deposit icon. So once you click on it, you'll be seeing here, okay, they have even listed all the amount. Let's go for 30,000, understand? So click on 30,000. So for once you click on 30,000, you click on deposit. So once you click on deposit, you'll be seeing energy 1, energy 2. They say the same thing, but there are different method of payment, you understand? So let's go for the energy 2, because that's what I use to make my own deposit initially. Now when you click on this deposit right now in energy 2, they will be giving you account number which you deposit and a time frame. So make sure you go with that time frame. And I want to show us very important something when depositing using this energy 2. There will be a account number to copy. So copy this account number, then you'll be seeing the account name here. So once you paste the account number, so that's it. And once you do that, you make sure you come here and click I've made a payment. That's just it. Once you click I've made a payment, then you'll be credited instantly, you understand? So that's how to make a deposit. Then for this energy 1, when you click on this energy 1, you will be redirected to where you copy the account number also. So once you click on this copy, it will copy automatically. Then one thing you have to notice in this energy 1, that you must paste this number here in the remark, narration or note in your where you are depositing from. If it's OP or other bank, there will be a remark here. So put this number there. So once you put this number, it will help the sender, which is the account name here, Ibrahim something. This will enable you to confirm, yes, this withdrawal is from you actually, and you'll be receiving your money instantly. Once you make payment, it won't take time to refresh, and there's always 10-minute time for all transactions. So within range of 10 minutes, you shall transfer the money to the bank. So that's all you know about the deposit. And once you make a deposit, make sure you come here and click I have made my bank transfer, you understand? So that's just it, guys. It's very easy. So once you do that, you will be having your money reflecting in your account, in your ticket, in my ticket here. So once your money reflects in my ticket, this place, then you go ahead and, assuming you invested, let's say 5,000, you deposited 5,000, you go ahead and click on this 5,000 and click on invest now. You understand? After I click invest now, it will say sorry, you don't have enough tickets in your balance, you understand? So once I invest like 5,000 now, that means I'll click on this invest now, and every day I'll be earning 1,600 in the less than 3-4 days. I'm earning both my capital and other one is my profit, guys. So this is how this site really was, guys. If you find value this video, consider and give it a thumbs up, guys. Drop a nice comment in the comment section, and if you have any question, please don't forget to ask in the comment section, and I'll be dropping the link to this channel in the description. And you can also follow my WhatsApp group, my Telegram community for more updates, guys. So thank you so much, guys, and see you in my next video.